And over the past several years, we've had a strong importation of needles and syringes to Nigeria, while our local company suffer, local manufacturing companies suffer. And everyone has heard the pronouncement of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on his plans to industrialize the country. And that's why he went and sought and chose a very competent minister. Not that she's here with me, she's been working tirelessly.
The mandate that we've been given by the president is to fix every problem in Nigeria, especially problems that affect the manufacturers in all sectors of the economy. And like the minister said, last Wednesday at FEC, we took the healthcare sector specifically to understand what the challenges are, and the mandate and marching order he gave us was to go and fix it as quickly as possible. And the intention of His Excellency is to ensure that, one, that the prices of manufactured medicines drop, people have greater access to this medicine, and they are more affordable and have a higher quality. I know we've been talking and interacting. We've met about twice now, you and I, various times, and you've been talking about your challenges. But I told you, until I have the ministry sit together, the two ministries sitting together to iron out the challenges of the healthcare, then we can now begin to fix the problem. But now that we now have the presidential backing to fix it as quickly as possible, I can only assure you that everything that we discuss here will be taken and expedited. That's the only assurance I think both of us can give to you. And like you also noted previously, some of these things are just policy changes that we need to make. They're not necessarily such big problems, but when we understand where the problem is and how to fix it and come up with the right policies, then we can solve the problem and get the country going.
There's a shocking news will be really the standard is coming, the imported syringes coming to Nigeria is substandard by all measures. Today Nigeria we are today the standard we have is approved by ISO, approved by NAFDAC, approved by WHO. So that means our standard is international standard. Just in the meeting we mentioned, the syringes imported cannot be used in the country of origin because it's substandard. So this is to highlight the case. All syringes manufactured in Nigeria is manufactured under the highest standard with NAFDAC, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Industry. So many organizations are inspecting and approving it. So I want to be rest assured the quality of Nigeria always preferred than any other syringes you find in the country.
We actually have designed a backward integration program which incorporates policies that affect medical devices and the entire healthcare. So we are going to launch that backward integration program with the approval of the Federal Executive Council. So we are going to present it to the Federal Executive Council. If it is approved and adopted, then we will launch it. Now that is one policy that will change the game for the medical device industry, and it's actually aimed at supporting their full capacity utilization for their industries, and for us it's a major game changer.
We've been trying to address the issues that affecting the syringe and needle sector in the last 6 to 7 years. You'll recall that a few weeks ago one of the companies shut down, but following the intervention of Mr. President and the help of the Honorable Ministers of Trade, Investment, Health, and other members, including the DG of National Primary Health Care and the Dr. Mukhtar coordinating the medical industrialization agenda of Mr. President, we've been able to sit down, have a honest and heart-to-heart discussion, and they've made practical. They've provided practical solutions that would resolve all our issues, and also not only do that, improve on the things we are doing and move this country towards self-sustenance. And I see that in the next 3 to 5 years, we'll be net exporters of a lot of medical products. We thank them, and we appreciate what Mr. President has done for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon. First, we'll